Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to track changes in Google Sheets step by step. Whether you're working with a team on a big project, sharing a budgeting spreadsheet with family, or just want to keep an eye on what's happening in your files, this quick tutorial will ensure you always know who made changes and when. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident about setting up notifications and checking the edit history, so your data is always under control. Let's jump right in. To start, open up your Google Sheet where you want to track changes. At the top, you'll see the Tools menu. Go ahead and click on that. Under Tools, look for Notification Settings. If you don't see it immediately, sometimes it's labeled Notification Rules depending on updates, but it's usually there in the drop-down menu. Now, once you're in the Notification Settings, you'll spot an option to Edit Notification. This is the spot where we decide how and when Google Sheets will alert you about any changes made. Take your time here. You'll have a few choices, like getting an email right away whenever someone makes an edit, or maybe just a daily summary. For most people who want to stay on top of things, I suggest picking Notify Me right away. That way, as soon as someone updates values, tweaks a formula, or changes anything in your sheet, you'll get an email notification almost instantly. This is perfect for collaborative projects or sensitive data. It's a little like having a security camera for your spreadsheet. If you manage a roster, track expenses with colleagues, or just like to know when things shift, this step is an absolute game changer. Don't worry if you're not sure which notification option fits you best. You can always come back and tweak these settings later on. Just remember, as long as you've set the rule to get immediate updates, you'll always be in the know about every change. Next, let's see another helpful method to look back at sheet activities, and this one's great for a broader view of what's happened over time. Head over to your Google Drive where your sheet is stored. Find the sheet you're interested in tracking. Once you locate it, move your mouse to the right-hand side of that file listing and spot the three vertical dots. This is the More Actions menu. Give that a click. From the list, select File Information, and then there should be an option called Activity. Click on Activity, and now you'll see a chronological list of actions: who last opened the file, who edited it, and exactly when those changes occurred. Think of this like the timeline in a detective story. No more guessing about who adjusted which numbers or when that mysterious typo appeared. This is really helpful if you need to double-check a mistake or trace the flow of work through a shared file. Take a moment to scroll through and get familiar with this view. If there's a lot of activity, don't panic. You can usually spot changes by user and date, which makes troubleshooting so much easier. It's a fantastic way to hold everyone accountable and provide full transparency. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you now know how to set up edit notifications and review activity logs in Google Sheets. These tools make collaboration smoother, reduce confusion, and keep your data's history crystal clear. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you ran into any issues or have questions about using Google Sheets, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.